Well, you've got to introduce you.
Me? No.
Well, then we just have to walk around. What do we need for slime? Glue. 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 300 mils.
Probably not.
Is that enough? It's
Probably,
fabric glue.
I mean, how much do you want? I mean, that's just craft glue. So
Exactly,
get the
that'll be
craft glue.
fine. We need now
Paint or
paint. Food colouring we need.
food colouring ink.
Don't we need acrylic paint now? No, that is delicious.
That's a nice colour.
That is nice.
Delicious.
That's
Why
a
don't you
nice
get more
colour.
than one?
No, because it'll go horrible.
Glitter in it, John.
Yeah, that's what we're going to get. We're just going to get everything. So we've got PVA. You want proper glitter, you don't get proper.
You see, if I drop John's phone.
Here we are. Here's beads and everything. That's what we're going to do.
Probably.
How about these? Don't like them.
We look like weirdos.
I know. No, we need, what do we need?
Glitter.
Glitter. Where do we get them from, Beth? Do you remember?
Like upstairs.
Oh. No, it wasn't upstairs.
Well, there's somewhere that sells glitter in this shop. How much are they in here?
Oh, here we are. Oh. That's perfect.
There's rose gold. Rose
Yeah.
gold glitter.
Yeah, there is also light blue, so that's why.
Okay.
Let's go.
Spare those. Make rose gold slime.
Vain.
We spent
We need
20
these.
minutes up here, Lucy. John, if I drop your phone, will you kill me?
We need something to make it. Oh. We need beans.
We look like
Why are we
typical.
up here then?
We look like typical teenagers that are gonna.
Rob a store. We don't know what the right is wrong in this town.
Where did you get your bag from?
We need shaving cream, but you won't get that in here. will you?
Shaving cream.
Yeah, you need shaving
Get that from Wilco's.
cream. We need air freshener.
Wilco's.
Right, let's go.
Don't you have? Oh wait, John.
What?
Just
Press not now. It's quite
Okay.
simple. Hi.
I don't own an Apple phone.
An Apple phone.
You better bleep that out of the video though. Don't want people knowing.
So you look like an absolute idiot. Hey guys, so in today's tutorial we're going to be telling people how to go down the stairs. Come on Lucy, we need a demonstration. Come on, you're going to be the one walking down the stairs. Oh, right.
I swear, John, I'm gonna drop this phone.
Slowly walk. You get the wrong place, it looks havoc and you look like you.
Is it?
Ready?
Could you do that again? I didn't get it.
No. Right, now.
A lot of this is foot shots, you know.
Well then show us your face. Damn. Keep the phone up, woman.
But I look like a weirdo.
You don't look like a weirdo.
Yes, I do look like a weirdo. You weirdo.
No, there was those before that were like in little bags. Oh, I thought that was an actual woman. They are needles. Needles. Oh, these are nice. There we are. Oh, we got some pearls.
You know, you need something really small to go in slime.
How about
otherwise they'll
this?
pull that
These
out.
look nice.
You could put JB is here in it.
Or we could just put them all in it like normal people.
Yes.
Well, How about
I think they'd be too big. If you get really small ones, then they'll stay in.
Will they?
Yeah, because they'll fall out the slime.
I know, but you won't feel it if you don't get big ones.
We'll get medium ones.
I think these are nice. Oh. Oh, God.
Seriously.
I've just bought it. I think these.
You know how to cut things out, you know? Because
What else is the Lucy? Oh. Oh, these are only £1.50 each.
you just get it then.
But then you go nice with that. Stop.
Right.
Hi, Lucy, can you do some filming? Actually, no, I don't want to.
No,
I don't
you
trust
are.
You.
No, you are. Lucy, you're going to film us. Oh, for God's sake, this camera woman is rubbish. No. Right, so we've got all of these. Here you go. Ready mix. Speed.
So please. You've been in for like half an
We've been here.
For like hours.
We've been in here for hours.
hour.
Right, we need to mix it with the utensil or whatever.
A brush.
No. We need to mix it in.
A brush.
Oh, I need some of these.
How is that going to go into slime?
Fair point.
John will find a way.
He is the slime king.
Wouldn't go that far.
Okay, and we're going to need...
A pen.
Oh,
Look at that for a background.
he is
Wow.
gay.
How rude. Here's something to mix it in.
Seriously.
Am I what? I feel like a prat if I'm just going to be carrying around these all day.
I've got a bag.
You've got the
No, we got some upstairs that we can all the way back up. Come on. Oh no, hang on.
No, just get a paintbrush, John. A paintbrush.
Have you not
I
noticed that?
I
there's
want
bags?
my lunch.
Don't
so
go in,
hurry
we'll go
up.
Get lunch right after this. After we've been to
We
Canada.
have to, John.
Come on. What can we call this?
Slime.
Day out.
We're not filming in every shot, John.
Hollywood. You need to be holding it up there. Hi.
So, Lucy, how did you get friends with John?
Look, over here.
Damn it, question.
How about one of these to mix it in? Quite, you know.
John, can you just pick something up and buy
I
everything?
mix it in my pocket.
You need a tub, basically.
Poundland. Let's go to Poundland.
Okay, I'm going to stop